In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Webflow project. Sharing a Webflow project can be a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the steps involved to ensure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're collaborating with a team, seeking feedback from a client, or just wanting to show your friends what you've been working on, I'll guide you through the process to make sharing your project seamless and effective. First off, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. This is your starting point whenever you're handling any of your projects. Once logged in, go ahead and navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the projects you've been working on. Select the specific project you want to share. This will lead you to the project settings, an area you might already be familiar with if you've been customizing and building your site. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll spot a tab labeled Project Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section is crucial as it houses all the options you'll need to manage, publish, and of course, share your project. Within the project settings, look towards the top of your page and find the Share option. Clicking on this will display different sharing settings customized for your project. Next, you'll see a button that likely reads Enable Share Link. By clicking this, Webflow generates a unique link to your project. This link is your key to sharing your work. It provides a direct line for viewing the project. Remember, though, that this link will reflect only the published version of your project. This means if you've made recent changes that haven't been published, they won't appear in the shared version until you publish them. After enabling the share link, you'll want to copy it to your clipboard. Often, there's an option right next to the link itself to do so effortlessly. Once copied, you can paste this link into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. Keep in mind that anyone with this link will be able to view your project, so share it wisely. Lastly, remember to manage your share settings appropriately. You might want to restrict who can view your project in more sensitive scenarios, depending on your collaboration needs. Webflow offers settings where you can turn off the shared link whenever you want to stop access, ensuring you have control over who gets to see your work and when. And there we have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be sharing your Webflow project like a pro. I hope this guide helps simplify the process for you. If you have any questions, or if there are particular topics you'd like us to cover in our next videos, feel free to leave a comment down below. Enjoy sharing your creations, and thanks for watching.